When your Insignia Portable Air Conditioner starts acting up, a simple power cycle can often resolve common issues. This process completely resets the unit's internal electronics. Step 1. Unplug the air conditioner from the wall outlet. This completely disconnects the unit from its power source. Step 2. Wait a few minutes. This waiting period ensures any residual power is completely drained from the system. Step 3. Plug the unit back into the power outlet and turn it on. The air conditioner should now operate normally with its internal electronics reset. This power cycle process resets the air conditioner's internal computer systems, clearing any temporary glitches or errors that may have caused the malfunction. If power cycling doesn't resolve the issue, the next step is to check the circuit breaker system. Many Insignia portable air conditioners have a built-in circuit breaker located on the power cord itself. Look for the test and reset buttons on the plug case. These buttons are part of a safety system designed to protect against electrical faults. To reset the circuit breaker, first press the reset button firmly. The button should stay engaged if the breaker is functioning properly. Next, test the circuit breaker by pressing the test button. This should cause the reset button to pop up, indicating the breaker is working correctly. After the reset button pops up, press it again to restore power. If the test button doesn't trip the breaker, or the reset button doesn't stay engaged, this indicates a problem. If the circuit breaker test fails, unplug the unit immediately and contact an Insignia technician. Do not attempt to use the air conditioner if the safety system is not functioning properly. If problems persist, check your home's electrical system. The issue might be with your house circuit breaker or electrical grounding. Remember that Insignia portable air conditioners typically do not have a dedicated reset button on the control panel itself. The reset function is handled through the power cord circuit breaker system we just covered.